Hi, welcome to my channel. Yeah, in KwaZulu-Natal, still a lot of people without electricity, a lot of people without water. Luckily, I'm one of the fortunate ones that's got electricity, but no water. I've been working with fiberglass, so I just had a quick bath in the pool. At least got quite a bit of water from the rainwater into the tank. So now I can have a hot shower again. It's been a week now that I haven't had water, but lots of other people hasn't got water. They don't have electricity. Very sad, but I'm sure we're all coping and getting there. And but yeah, at least I got some water put in the van for a shower. The geezer's just warming up with the gas, so I can have a hot shower again. Good luck to all the other people, and hope everything has been restored and get better soon. Good luck. I'm making a new desk for myself. The table that I used to use was a little bit too big to move around and get in and out if my laptop was on the table. There wasn't a lot of leg room between the wall of the shower and the table. So I made this little table, nearly finished with it. And we'll show you guys later what that looks like. rainwater I've run out of, so no more showers, so I'll just get back in the pool. Way to get clean, and there's enough water for that. But all the best, and thanks for watching. See you next time. Cheers.